disconcerting is what I'm shooting for. I was working in the bookstore and a customer sneezed, and I said, "Bless you." She said, "Thanks." And I said, "No, seriously, God bless you." And I grabbed her shoulders and I stared into her 60-year-old eyes. And I said, "May God give you 45 million blessings. 45 million supersonic, ultimate, maximum, ultra, mega, jackpot, superstar prize packages delivered by 10,000 angels wearing roller skates and feathered boas." She said, "Thank you," again, nervously, and started to shuffle away. I don't know why she was nervous. I held onto her arm and I yanked her back around and I shook her with both hands and I said, "No, I'm not done. May God give you keys to 1,000 mansions with an underground lazy river connecting them all and a ski lift made out of licorice whips and Fruit Loops and peppermints, a ski lift that'll take you up to a giant hill of cherry icy slush, and may you sled down the hill on a giant Oreo that lands you in a pit full of golden beads and sparkling emeralds, and may 1,000 bluebirds of happiness swarm in the sky, spelling out your name, spelling out, 'We love you,' spelling out, 'God bless you,' spelling out, 'You are the most beautiful person in the world,' spelling out, 'Look to your left,' and you'll look to your left. And right there you'll see a chariot, a golden chariot waiting to take you to a land of eternal grace and eternal bliss and eternal poetry readings." Nice. Customer, her voice was shaking, and she said, "I don't really like poetry." And I shook her hard, and I said, "Well, go to hell then, you stupid sack of congealed llama bile." I said, "You're a worthless, used Band-Aid stuck to a filled-up bedpan, and I hate you." I said, "May you be stung by 1,000 diseased bees, fall into a vat of boiling battery acid, you mangy, roach-eating, rabid goat who smells like mothballs." She was crying, and she asked me to let her go, and she asked to speak with my manager. And I went and I got my manager. My manager said, "I'm sorry, ma'am. Don't mind Sarah. She's just like that." And the lady, what do you think she did? She sneezed again. She couldn't help it. She sneezed. And I said, "Bless you," and I walked away. Yeah!